Aloha and welcome. I'm Nik Chung, a soul-led branding and business strategist and wealth energetics coach. And in this video, let's talk about how you can unleash your wealth energy and skyrocket your sales dramatically so you can make breakthroughs in your income. Now, there are 3 steps to this. First, you need to identify what limiting beliefs, resistances, and blocks you have around having, creating, and spreading wealth. So the first part, having wealth. This is all about your capacity to hold on to the money that comes through your business. So what do you believe about this? Do you believe that you can't hold on to it, that there is never enough money, that you have more going out than there is coming in? To get to the core belief, you can ask yourself this question: what would I have to believe to create the current money situation in my business right now? In particular, you are looking at the amount of money that is in the coffers of your business right now. Next, ask yourself, what are my beliefs, resistances, and blocks around creating wealth? And especially look around the area of sales and marketing. These are the vehicles in your business for wealth creation, i.e., getting money into your business. So do you believe that there are never enough sales inquiries? Or even with all of your sales, you still can't generate the kind of money that you desire? Again, you may want to look at your current situation. How many times do you put offers out and generate sales inquiries from that? How many of these inquiries are you able to convert to paying clients? And then you can ask the question, what would I have to believe to create the current income that I have and that I am experiencing right now? And lastly, ask yourself, what are my beliefs, resistances, and blocks around spreading wealth? That is, how do you feel and what do you believe about giving money away or paying for something? Do you always feel dread about spending money or seeing the latest bill come in for your business? Are you happy for money going out because you know that more is coming in? So each of these 3 areas affects the flow of wealth in your business. And of course, depending on your core beliefs, each have an energetic resonance that either welcomes in money or it repels money away from your business. And this is usually through the vehicles of marketing and sales. So after you have identified your limiting beliefs, resistances, or blockages to creating, having, and spreading wealth, you have to rid yourself of them. Bringing them to awareness is not good enough. You need to intentionally disable these beliefs and then live into the more self-serving truth of who you really are. Now, this is the crux of the work that I do with my VIP clients, but I'll let you in on this little secret. The truth is, you are a limitless, abundant, and creative being. So your beliefs from that space, that truth of who you are, your real authentic self, will give you no doubts, no hesitations, no limits, no excuses, and no resistances to creating more income easily and quickly. And that is how you can unleash your wealth energy and skyrocket your sales dramatically so you can bust through your income ceilings and create the business of your dreams. If you want to know more about this, then come and join my free group, The Soul-Led Business Revolution. This is for 6-figure business owners and above, or those of you who are aspiring to this, who want to experience breakthroughs in their profit, their impact, and their prosperity. In there, you will get exclusive access to free trainings with me about creating breakthroughs in your business by freeing your energy and igniting your genius. You will also get free expert masterclasses and a very promotional friendly space. So join us there. The link is in the description of this video.